Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to another video of our channel. Today in this video, I'm gonna show you how to download League of Legends on your PC. So without wasting any more time, let's start our today's video. First of all, go to your web browser and search Riot Games. Go to their website. Now scroll down and select League of Legends from here. Here you can see option play for free. Click on it. As you can see, there's a option download for Windows, and you can see I am already logged into this website. If you don't, just create an account or log into your Riot Games account. After logging in, click on download for Windows option. It will show this type of interface. Go back and again click on download for Windows. You can see the installer is already downloaded. Now you have to open the installer and install the game and play it on your PC. So that's it guys, hope you liked this video. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. Till then, bye bye.